Gift na.
Gift po. Sige, madam.
Okay, dami bumili ah. Parang bumili na sa store.
Ma'am, andito na si Boss Conix.
Hello po. Ay, hindi po. Hindi na ba?
Pero guys, share.
Hindi po. Wala na po ang stock for this, no?
No, ganda rin.
Almond, yes. Yan, that's one of our best sellers.
May
Earth tone
yan?
color. Yes, there's a seller for that.
Oh my God, yan.
Parang ano ah.
Nakahanda na.
Naka-ready na.
Oh my God. It's for you talaga.
Ay. Yan, madam. Bagay yan sa most outfits kasi yung problem mo. Hindi naman firm lang po yung size.
Okay, size na lang. But I get.
Better yung ganito, madam, pag ano, pang casual wear. Okay. Yes, one color lang po. They're more comfortable than yung easy boss. They're softer. Kaya lang, walang movement size. Sorry.
Ayun pala size ko sa cloud.
Kiniki po para ma-check po. Sorry, madam ha.
It's okay.
38, so that's 7 movements po. Would you like to stick with that size? Or would you like to
Yeah, stay with the size.
stay with the size? Okay, alright. Let's go for the size 7. Sige po, dalhin ko na lang doon.
Ikaw ba pala, kailangan dito yung sabi.
Ah, sige po, para matry niya, para ma-feel niya yung comfort.
Yeah, mahilig ko sa ganyan.
Sino po mag-coffee?
Me.
Si madam, tsaka si madam. Kayo po, madam, coffee? Sir, ikaw, sir.
Sino po?
Dalawa lang po, ice or hot?
Ice.
Ice, okay, go.
Magkasabay sila.
This is my, ano, my barista pala.
Wow.
Nelly po, ano yan, business partner ko po si Carl.
Oh my God.
Hello po.
Ano ba naling
Good
madam?
guy. I'm Ice.
Mang Ice. Nice to meet you. Kaya pala ice yung order mo, ha?
Kaya na rin.
Ano yung siya yung ano, what it comes with? So, para siyang eraser. Kasi this pair has parang sweet part. So, you can use this to clean your sweet. Some accessories po that you can put on the shoe. Tama lang, try na.
Patingin nga. Ikaw, patingin yung pagka... Ah, maganda siya. Ano ba yan? Mga 2 weeks?
Opo, on.
Gamit natin sa Taiwan.
Yes, they're very comfortable also. Di ba po, that's not nyo? Pink lang or white yung coloring for this release.
Yung white and silver, can you take a picture? Kasi,
I have a video.
pwede bang mag-call kayo? Para
Yes po.
gusto ko ma-fit talaga siya.
Yes po, and also, actually for pre-orders naman, we do allow our customers to have a one-time size exchange. Kaya lang, pag may-change size, we'll do a pre-order, you'll have to wait naman for the others.
Pati kasi magsukat ka na.
Ay, opo. You can fit siya, no? Para malaman niya.
Pero ganito siya mismo, like this.
Yes, same model po, different lang yung colorway. Gonna be like that.
Magkano to? How much?
14,000.
Last price?
That's the best madam for this kasi bagong release. That's ano na po, nakababa siya ngayon kasi introductory pa.
Ano? Next week to, hindi, 1 week.
1 to 2 weeks, madam, I can promise it. Sometimes it arrives here within a week, kaya lang we always say 1 to 2 weeks. Kasi mas better na kaysa hindi kami makapulfill ng commitment eh.
Isabihin mo doon sa event mo, i-postpone.
I-move na lang, no? Sila yung mag-adjust.
Wala pa kami susunod.
Okay. The white and silver.
White and silver, okay, sige po madam. Something neutral talaga kayo madam, oh, kasi neutral din yung kinuha mong sneakers.
Isara ko na yung chinelas ko doon.
Actually, this is our, ano na, fourth restock na for this, no? Kasi lagi na buubos po.
How much is this one?
12,000 na. Ah, for this one, I can give you a discount pa. I can give a discount here, pero 11,500 yung boss. Hindi humingi ng discount si madam, ha? Binigay ko lang talaga, ha? Kasi yung
Oo nga eh, may discount ko rin, nagulat ako. Pero wala na akong pasalubong from Taiwan.
Ito na.
Gift na.
Gift po. Sige, madam.
Okay, dami bumili ah. Parang bumili na sa store.
Thank you po. Salamat
Thank
po.
you so
Salamat, madam.
much.
Ilan po kayo sa bahay?
So and guys, grabe nakakatawa sila madam, bagong friends natin, bagong VIP customers. So they bought 2 NB204L with special box. So one pink.
Dalawa.
Yes, one pink size 39.5 and we sold that for 14,000 pesos, and we sold another one which is size 38, yung white and silver with a special box. We sold it for 14,000 pesos also. Tapos they got the on-hand CDG Converse multiple hearts size 39 and we sold that for 10,500 pesos. And then we sold the Cloud Tilt Ivory Almond for 13,000 pesos size 38 also. Tapos binili pa ni Madam si Sir nung Vilon Slides na size 12 and we sold that for 11,500 pesos.